Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and it's time for another Tinker Hunt. So let's get cracking. Friends, a Tinker Hunt is a fun scavenger hunt in Tinkercad. It helps you become better with shortcuts, navigation, and helping you solve a fun puzzle. To find them, you can find them in the gallery. You can also visit my website, HLModTech.com. This week we are on the 26th Tinker Hunt. It's amazing how many of these we've done. If you solve it correctly by sending me the locations, I give you a shout out. This week's shout out goes to Ivan, Jaquil, Ken, Ryu, Brayden, Vicky, and Charlotte for all solving Tinker Hunt 25. Ivan, Brayden, and Charlotte, you all have a streak of 2 straight weeks. Thank you all for participating, and hopefully you guys have success solving this one as well. Friends, the 5 pieces you're trying to find are the rocket, the pumpkin, Blanky with the Get Crackin' shirt, the HLModTech Celebrating Kid, and the Unicorn Dude. You can get to this project once again via my website or via the description of this video. And when you get there, you simply hit copy and tinker and then wait for it to load. Friends, after a few moments, the village of Tinkerville will load. There are so many cool things to explore here. I've got things hidden in all kinds of locations. There are little braille notes. You can click on these and actually learn what the braille says by using the little notes. It's a ton of fun and a great way to learn how to navigate. So when you're searching, click on any item and hit F to zoom into that spot. You can then right click drag, you can click on other items, you can hit T for transparent, you can do Control H to hide. You need to also look under things. If we do F to fit view again, you can see this is a couch cushion. If I hit delete on the keyboard, I could have hid something in there. I am sneaky. They are everywhere. You can always hit undo if you want to bring it back. You can hit show all to bring all the parts back, and you can hit home to back out and search for another location. Friends, as you find the 5 items, you can add them as a reply to this video. You can also reach out and find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. I am HLModTech on all 3 of those. You can also find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkerCad. If those options aren't available, don't forget you can also visit HLModTech.com, my website. It is where you can find the Tinker Hunts as well, and it's where you can submit a solution using the sweet built-in messaging tool. Click that button, add your information, and ship it out to me almost immediately. Good luck this week, friends, and of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or a solution, add it down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.